As usual, there's a lot going on in the markets today. But again, as usual, you can be assured that I'm looking out for you in every direction. So let's go to the charts. We're looking at the 2-year weekly chart on the spiders. The close on Friday was 275.65. Taking a look at the chart with respect to the correction we had in early 2018, this is what it looked like again in early 2018. A nice little dish there, which took 4 months plus to correct and start recovering. Now, this contraction here looks to be a little bit tighter in that. And we've only been through this for 2 months, but don't be fooled. And here's why. Looking at the MACD, you can see that from this point down here again through here, it took us several months. Now, there is a big difference still between the slow line and the fast line. And that simply means we're going to need some time before this fast line is able to come through. And it's going to take a month or two or more. So be prepared and be patient. Looking here at the histogram, looks just fine. A little bit lower here than we were here. But things, they look like they're shaping up to a recovery. The same thing here in the price rate of change. We've got a little bit of sawtoothing. The most recent move was toward the slow line, but it'll probably reflect back down again at some point. Perhaps something like that. Not really sure. But I do think that we're not quite yet ready for the fast line to move above the slow line. Here in the RSI, we are moving up toward 50, so we're still a little bit weak. We need to be above that mid level here, 50 line, before things start strengthening. But that's the direction it wants to take, so we'll let it go. Here in the stochastic, same sort of thing, is that the move is consolidating here. The fast line wants to move through the slow line. Not there yet. We may see another sawtooth before it comes up through. I'm not sure if we're going to be strong enough like this one to have one bounce and then on up with a slight hesitation and then moving on up through that like that. But we'll have to wait and see. I think that now things are a little bit weaker. And again, we're toward the end of the month as well as the end of the year. And there may be some selling coming up before we hit 2019. And the volume, can't say too much from that. It looks fine. Here, the Williams, we've had a double bottom here and here, heading on up to the midline. So things are strengthening. But again, simply based on that MACD, we have some time before the fast line does move through the slow line. So expect some more volatility. And there's going to be some big moves in some stocks. Others may not move at this time. Some stocks are a little bit behind. Some stocks are a little ahead. But I think you as an investor simply just needs to sit back, watch, turn the television off, and be patient. So for Chew Dog Charts, thank you.